How to create and use name range in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to create and use name range in Google Sheets. So for that case, first of all, you have to open up your Google Sheets, and after that on the spreadsheet you have to go ahead and select the cell you want to name. So I'm going to go with this one. So let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. After that, click the data from the top, and after that you'll be able to find this option in the drop down menu, that is name ranges. Just go ahead and select that. Now you need to go ahead and name the range. Here you can just type in the range name you want, and to change the range you need to click the spreadsheet and select the range in the spreadsheet, or type the new range into the text box, then click OK. After that, go ahead and select the done button, and once you're done, click the done button. So that is how you can create and use name range in Google Sheets. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.